What up, bloods? My name's Anchieta. Welcome to my kitchen, and let's make brownie. First thing we're gonna do for this brownie, I have here my flaxseed. Okay, I grounded it myself. Just put it in the blender, and there you have it. So we're gonna mix water in here. Just pour the water in. Mix. Like that. And we set this aside to thicken, okay? Then we need a big bowl. And here we're gonna mix 2 different types of sugar. So I have granulated sugar, and you can add brown sugar, which in my case here I don't have it, so I'm using the Demerara. Sugar in there. Then we're gonna add vanilla extract, so 1 tablespoon. It's my whole pack. Put everything in. Now here, together with sugar, we're gonna add melted margarine. And we're gonna whisk all together. Here we're gonna add as well our flax seeds that was on the side. Okay. Now we need to add the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, salt, and chocolate chips. So we need 1 cup of flour. Inside, 1 cup of cocoa powder, pinch of salt, baking powder. So we need a teaspoon. Get the baking powder, a teaspoon. Goes inside. Now I mix all together. Nice. In here as well, we want to mix a little bit of the chocolate chips. So we're gonna mix half into the dough, and the rest we're gonna put on the top. So guys, what I have in here, I have a tray with baking paper. The trick here is I just made the baking paper wet, so it's easier for us to set in here. This is a trick, few people know, but I'm gonna show you. So here you have the baking paper, right? And this is wet. So what you simply do, come to the sink, don't worry. Baking paper like that. This is all, see all my utensils here to wash. Running water in the baking paper like this. Squeeze the excess of water, and voila! It will have the same effect, but the thing is you can easily put it like right on the tray. So that's why it is like that, sitting very well on the tray. So we're gonna transfer our dough in here. My oven is preheated already at 175 degrees Celsius, and we're gonna bake it. That's it. Try to make the flattest you can. Get the chips. Let's be generous. And like this, we go into the oven. Guys, it's been 35 minutes. Let's take this baby out. Ooh. Come on, Brownie. Okay. Be careful, guys, okay, because it's really hot. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna let this, oh beautiful, let it cool down, because if you take out now, it's gonna break completely. So you let it cool down for another 20 minutes at least. Then after, we're gonna take this out. Our brownie has cooled down already. Now I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is. So that's why we're using the baking paper here. So you just lift the baking paper like that. See, the whole brownie gets out. And the tray is clean, don't need to wash it. Beautiful. Oh, look at this beauty. Gonna cut a square here to show you guys. Look at this baby, it's fluffy, it's juicy. So this is 35 minutes cooking, okay? If you leave longer, it's gonna get more dry. I don't like it. I like when it's wet like that. Oh Lord. It's still warm. If you put this on an ice cream, killer. It's a killer. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down in the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy, easy cooking.